Hello folks, it's Keith at Down Redwood Groves, and today we're going to be slabbing out this poplar log. This log here at the small end is just over 24 inches. At the butt end, just over 31 inches. And I think it's just over 8 foot, yeah, 8 foot 3 inches. So I'd already started with this thing. Cut the top off, and I actually cut a couple slabs. I'm cutting this into 10 quarters, so 2.5 inches. I'm slabbing these things out, and we're going to keep slabbing these things and see what we got. I have a little bit of concern with this log. I'll take you down here. The grain looks really nice. It's got some good character to it, but I do have some rot right here. So as we get down here, we'll have to see what we get in those slabs, if there's how deep that goes or what happens to that. But stay with me and we'll see what we can find. Okay, I pulled those 2 slabs off and we're ready to cut the 3rd slab. Alrighty, we got down to the 5th slab here, and we do have some rot. It's not bad. It's really, I mean, there's a little bit of cracking and rotting going on in here. We're up in, you can see almost 2 foot mark, but fairly easy for an epoxy job, so, or a smaller table. This thing is still, even if we cut this off here, is 27 inches. So still quite a great slab. Poplar's not the greatest grain, but we'll put a little water on here. See if you can see. Hopefully this comes out in the camera a little better. It's got some really nice texture in it. Different grains. A little green, a little purplish pink, I guess. I'm not really good with colors. I'm not color blind, but I'm into those basic colors, none of the 256 colors. I'm more like the rainbow 16, I guess. Anyhow, that's the slabs. We'll take these, put them over and get on sticker, and then I'm going to have to rotate this log over, and we'll start from the bottom end. So stick with me. Having fun. Alright folks, we're back here. So in between that break, I did take the slabs off. I put them over, position, stickered them, and I rotated the log. I took a dimension. It is about 12 inches down here at the small end. So when I cut this with a super simple the simple set here, what I do here is, I know I'm cutting this at 2.5, and I got to use a 1/16 for the blade. That's the kerf. So you divide that, figure out how many cuts you can get, which it gives me 4. So you can see I'm at, hopefully you can see, I'm at 10.25. So I set that. So it's now all set so that I can cut the top off, and I maximize my slabs. The log is pretty big. I was unable to get the clamp over here. I was able to put one clamp down here to help hold it in place. I try to keep this end not on a stop so that it gives me a little bit more width on the blade, so when I'm cutting this, I don't come into the edge of the blade, catch that edge. So hopefully we can slab these 4 remaining slabs off here without any trimming, and it'll be live edge on both sides. So stick with me and let's see what we get here. Alright, well, we'll see what happens here. I'm not really sure what I got on that last saw. It looks like the phone overheated and it shut off, but hopefully I got most of the 4 slabs cut. I took a quick glance and at least got some of it. So we're over in the drying area where I sticker these slabs, and I started cleaning these slabs off, and I was hoping the foam was cooled up enough where you could actually see the grain in this poplar. This one's actually got quite a nice grain to it. So we'll get these slabs, put on the rest of it. The other slabs, we've got 5 there, and we got 4 slabs there. So we got 9 slabs out of this log. So it was a nice log. I was pretty happy with. I was concerned with that rod on the end, but it's all usable, or most of it's usable anyways, depending on what they're planning on doing with it. They're going to epoxy, it's all usable. So anyhow, it's Keith at Down Redwood Grows. If you would, give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and look forward to having you watch the next video. Have a great day.